Welcome to my Faith to Practice sports list. While most of my channel is about spiritual practices such as meditation, mindfulness, non-judgment, and so on, this list is going to feature the sporty side of my life. Over the years, I've been an avid windsurfer, rock climber, downhill skier. I've even taught downhill skiing and windsurfing, whitewater kayaking,
Coming through right
hang
now.
gliding, unicycle riding, and bicycling, a lot of different things. Now I'm into riding an electric motorcycle, which is really great on the windy mountain roads of North Carolina where I'm living now. And I'm getting into foil supported windsurfing, which I'm going to feature a lot on this list to help people learn how to foil windsurf, but also to encourage everyone to take their sports as a spiritual practice. Just stay in the current moment, get into the zone of your sport, and you will excel in your sport and raise your awareness of yourself, which is the core of spiritual practice, as I understand it. So I hope you enjoy this list.